Welcome. In front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will show you how to boot this PC from USB. So first of all, turn off your device. I suggest that you also plug in the charging cable and prepare the bootable USB flash drive and insert it into any available USB slot in your PC. Then turn on your PC by pressing the power button once, and once your device starts booting up, start repeatedly pressing the escape button to open the boot menu. So first press the power button to turn it on, and then press the escape button repeatedly to enter the boot menu. And in the boot menu, in which you can, by the way, navigate using your touchpad or arrow keys, and select using enter, select one of the two UEFI drives, and press enter. If one doesn't work for you, then select the second one. So I just selected the first one and pressed enter to confirm, and at this point I'll just have to wait for my device to boot into this into the USB. And as you can see, it started booting up, and as you can see, the Windows 11 installation file that was on my USB drive started booting. So it worked. Now if you want to close this window, select the next icon, then confirm by clicking yes, and then wait for your device to restart normally. And that's how you boot your device from USB. I hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.